Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I thank you guys for always coming back to watch my videos. In case it is your very first time, you're welcome. Consider subscribe, share, like and comment. So today it's a beautiful day, it's a weekend, and I'm back at our Pentagon poultry farm, and I want you guys to show you what is happening inside our farm, the activities that we always do in the morning, so that we how to keep our broiler chicks grow well. So I want to show you how we normally feed them during the morning time, and the kind of feeds that we do feed our birds here at our farm. So last time I showed you the owner of this Pentagon poultry farm, and right now it's called Senya Farm. The owner is Senyange, and I will put the link of his YouTube channel in this video's description, so that you guys, when you want like any kind of poultry idea, you'll be on his channel to check out on new videos that he will be sharing. So let me take you inside and show you what is happening and what we always do here at our farm. So stick around to the channel guys, give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to drop a sweet comment, maybe asking about anything concerning poultry farming, or anything that will be you feel like asking about poultry farming. So let's go inside and show you what is happening guys. So guys, right now I'm inside our farm, our poultry house. So I want to take you upstairs, because you know we have two floors. This is the ground floor and there is an upper stair. So basically here at the ground floor we have not yet planned for it, but only we have our feeds here, our utensils, like the feeding racks, things that we use to keep our birds here. So allow me guys show you the feeds here that we have, that we do feed our chicks. So let me show you guys here. So we have here these are cuckoo chick feeds, the farmer's choice. So these are the starter crumbles for broilers, and they are the ones that we feed them when they are still in the brooder. So that is the brooder. So this is the entrance here. We're going to show you later, and these are other bags of our starter crumbles. You can see them, they are here. So let me go inside guys, upstairs, and I'll show you how it is. So you can see it, it's there up. Let's go guys. So now we are at our farm. This is the upstairs. Last time I was here, we had a large number of birds here, and right now we sold them off. So we have other chicks that are still in the brooder. We're going to immunize them today, but I will show you the process later. So I just wanted to show you how we feed our birds, the ones that left, because the other time we had a big number, like close to 600 birds in this farm. So there are others which left when we sold them, and I want to show you how they are. So these are our birds here that left when we we sold the other time. So these are in 5 weeks, I think. Yeah, these are in 5 weeks. So we wanted to make some cleanliness before bringing other birds from the breeder. So this is it, guys. So welcome to Senior Farm. Always feel free to ask any question on our farm, to give us ideas. You know, so when we share these videos, sometimes we are not perfect. We are not perfect. We want different ideas from you, because you guys, you could be having some different ideas about poultry farming, and most of you are farmers. So we don't say that we are 100% or in poultry farming, but we always welcome your ideas about different ways how we could keep our broilers here well. So that's it.
Tunaona kutoka kuja na kutoka kutunga amani.
We're done.
You're done now?
Yes.
Okay. So how often do you do this?
After 2 days.
After 2 days?
I have to change them.
You have to change. Okay.
But it depends on the number of the birds. When there are many, I do it every day.
Every day, okay.
Yeah. Remember, they take a lot of water and they wet the wood shelves.
Okay.
So we are going to remove these ones. I have my friend is going to help me to remove them.
Because you know, like here we have a lot of activities. Sometimes you get tired.
Yeah, my friend is there.
Yeah.
He's going to help me remove these ones.
Yeah, how are you, my friend?
No, fine.
You're fine. Okay, you always work with him here?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You know why I'm turning these wood shelves.
So why are you doing that kind of thing?
I'm like sweeping. Yeah. I put them in bags like 4, 5. So instead of removing them, you pick one day, you turn them.
Okay. So what happens when you don't turn them? Because most of the like me I don't know much about poultry farming, and I don't know the process. What happens when you don't turn those husks in the farm? Okay.
They are dirty. When you don't turn them, they may bring flies.
Flies. Okay.
Remember these chicks, when they take water, they do. When they take a lot of water, they darken the wood shelves. Yeah. So you have to turn them upside down.
Okay, like that.
Don't you see they are clean now?
They are clean now. I see. Very nice here. So guys, basically this is how we maintain cleanliness at our farm. Whenever we are at the farm, we maintain cleanliness as a way of keeping our broiler birds here healthy. Because you know, like as a poultry farmer, you have to the first thing that you should know, you have to be smart in everything that you do. You have to be smart. That is the first thing, because when you are not smart, meaning that everything is a loss. You make a loss in everything. So you have to be smart first, so that you can succeed with your birds.